How to apply HTV to faux leather using Cricut. Step 1. First, head over to Cricut Design Space. Click on Text and type in any text of your choice. Step 2. With the text selected, click on the font drop-down menu, then search and select a font to use. Step 3. Resize the text. Step 4. If you want to add glyphs to the text, click on Font Book, select a font, then go through the characters. Step 5. Copy the glyph you want to add, then click on Ungroup in the Layers panel. Step 6. Select the letter to edit out, then paste the letter you just copied. Step 7. Position the letter you just copied and attach it to the other letters to make the design seamless. Step 8. Go back to Font Book, scroll down and copy another glyph to use. Step 9. Select the letter to edit out and paste the glyph you just copied. Step 10. Adjust and position the letters until you're happy with the design, then select the design and click on Group in the Layers panel. Step 11. Now go and measure the surface where you're going to apply the design. Step 12. Go back to the Cricut Design Space, then resize the design to fit the surface from the toolbar. Step 13. With the design selected, click on Weld in the lower right side of the screen. Step 14. Click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color of the design. Step 15. Once you're happy with the design, click on Make It. Step 16. In the Prepare screen, turn on Mirror, then click Continue. Step 17. Select Everyday Faux Leather as the material and set the pressure to More. Step 18. Place the faux leather onto the Cricut cutting mat shiny side down and load it into the machine by pressing the up and down arrow button. Step 19. Then press the flashing C button to start cutting. Step 20. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the material from the mat. Step 21. Trim off the excess leather, then go ahead and weed out the design. Step 22. Grab the heat press mat, place the material on top and cover it with Teflon sheet. Step 23. Preheat the area where you're going to apply the design using the heat press. Step 24. Place the design onto the surface and place the Teflon sheet on top. Step 25. Apply the mini heat press and go around the design slowly. Step 26. Remove the Teflon sheet and peel off the transfer tape slowly. Step 27. Your DIY project is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.